the south has been the domain of the TMC, and the TMC doing all it can to hold on to its seats. The BJP, like we pointed out earlier, like in a state of Odisha, is looking at a state of West Bengal to make gains. The last time around, out of 42 seats, the BJP had won 18. This time around, the BJP is hoping to up the stakes for the party from 18 move on, and the TMC is looking at doing what it takes to get the BJP under the 15-seat mark, lesser than what it was in 2019. And in midst of all of this, it would be the left plus Congress in terms of the vote share. If the vote share increases, then possibly the BJP might not reach its target, because the last time around it had completely captured the entire vote share of the left, where the BJP was concerned. We're going to get you the latest, but what we will turn around is the VIPs. Let's take a quick look from West Bengal. Well, Lokit Chatterjee versus Rachna Banerjee. They are fighting each other from the seat of Hooghly. Lokit Chatterjee is eyeing her second term. She's a sitting MP from Hooghly, and versus Rachna Banerjee. Rachna Banerjee, actor turned politician, is facing off with Lokit Chatterjee, who herself was an actor turned politician and also coming in from the school of Mamata Banerjee. She used to head the Mahila Mandal of the TMC and then turned to the Bharatiya Janata Party, and then since then has been the head of the Mahila Morcha of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and very recently the General Secretary Bengal for the BJP, looking at her next term. So this is what the VIP seat of Hooghly is concerned. But let's quickly cut across and look at Jammu and Kashmir, viewers. Jammu and Kashmir is also going into vote this time around. In the one seat each has gone to vote, and this is the seat of Baramulla that we are going to witness when it came down. In 2019, it was Akbar Lone versus Raja Ejaz Ali, but this time it's a tad bit different, because you have Omar Abdullah in the fray versus Sajjad Lone from the JKPC. So this is a high-profile VIP constituency, VIP battle. Omar Abdullah facing off with Sajjad Lone. Cutting across to my colleague Sunil, who's joining us live with the latest. Sunil, what does it look like this morning?
Well, Preeti, right now I am at a special polling booth which has been set up by the Election Commission for displaced Kashmiri Pandits in Jammu. Polling is taking place in Baramulla Lok Sabha seat in the Kashmir Valley, but Kashmiri Pandits who got displaced in 1990, for them the Election Commission has made special arrangements. As many as 21 special booths have been set up in Jammu, 4 in New Delhi, 1 in Udhampur. I have with me some voters here who have just exercised their democratic right. You can see that they are proudly displaying the inked finger mark. These Kashmiri Pandits may be in exile, but their spirits are high. I will just talk to some of them. जी, आप बताइए आपका नाम?
सर, मेरा नाम नेहा पंडित है।
नेहा जी, आप मूलतः बारामुल्ला से है। आज आप यहाँ पर जो है जम्मू में विशेष मतदान केंद्र में वोट डालने आए हैं। मुझे एक चीज बताइए कि कश्मीर से कितना भावनात्मक लगाव है कि आप निर्वासन में हैं, निष्कासन में हैं, फिर भी आज आप अपने मताधिकार का प्रयोग करने आए हैं। क्या कहेंगे आप?
सर देखिए, जब हम वहाँ से आए माइग्रेट होके, सर मैं बहुत छोटी थी तब, मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है वहाँ का इतना, मतलब, लेकिन आज भी मेरा इतना लगाव है वहाँ कि मैं चाहती हूँ कि हम जाएं, हम फिर से वैसे रहें जैसे हम पहले रहते थे। तो हमारे माता पिता, मैं तो फिर भी इतना सर नहीं, मेरे में इतना, मैं फीलिंग्स तो बहुत ज्यादा हैं, बट इतना मैंने नहीं देखा है। बट मेरे माता पिता को मैंने देखा है, उनको मैंने देखा कि वो कैसे सफर करते हैं, कि उन्होंने वहाँ के बारे में हम बार बार स्टोरीज।
क्या मुद्दे हैं जिनको सोचकर आप वोट डालने आए?
सर रिहेबिलिटेट होना चाहिए वहाँ पे, हमें वापस, हम घर वापसी, हमारी एक्चुअल में घर वापसी होनी चाहिए सर। शॉर्ट में मैं कहूंगी घर वापसी होनी चाहिए। हमारे धार्मिक स्थल हैं, उनको फिर से वैसे मतलब उजागर, जैसे हमारे उस टाइम पे हमारे उनको मतलब सजाया जाता था, आज भी इस टाइम पे भी वैसे सजाया जाए।
जी, आप बताइए आपका नाम?
दीपक पंडित।
आप कहाँ से हैं कश्मीर?
मैं ख्वाजाबाग बारामूला
से। और पिछले 34 वर्षों से आप यहीं हैं जम्मू?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
तो आज किन मुद्दों को ध्यान में रखते हुए आप वोट डालने आए?
बस हम तो उन्हीं मुद्दों को ध्यान में रख रहे हैं कि भारत सरकार शायद हमारे लिए कुछ करे, हम अपना वापस पुनर्वास हमारा हो।
So clearly, Preeti, you just heard from these Kashmiri Pandits who have come here to exercise their democratic right. They are saying that they want proper rehabilitation of the community. As far as Baramulla Lok Sabha seat is concerned, it's a multi-cornered fight. Umar Abdullah is pitted against People's Conference's Sajjad Lone. There is, Mir Fayaz from the PDP, as well as Engineer Rashid, an independent, candidate. So it's a multi-cornered fight as far as Baramulla Lok Sabha seat is concerned. And displaced Kashmiri Pandits are also voting voting at special polling booths in Jammu, in Delhi and in Udhampur. Preeti, back to you.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Sunil. Let's see how Jammu and Kashmir votes this time around, because the last time the percentage was a lot more than we've seen in our earlier Lok Sabha elections, promising at that. But the big ticket fight, Sajjad Lone facing off with the former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah from the NC.